My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the Managing Director of Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a United Kingdom company that purchases packages of mortgages. We invest into mortgage debt in the United States, and that debt is paid in dollars. So today I'm going to answer the question, why did the Bank of England raise rates by 75 basis points to 3% in its largest single rate hike in 33 years? Well, good question. The answer is the British pound on Thursday of last week sank sharply against the US dollar after the UK's central bank said it expected a recession to last for all of 2023 and the first half of 2024. The Bank of England has raised interest rates 8 times this year in an effort to shield the UK economy from high levels of inflation. The inflation is quite high now in the United Kingdom. For example, the Financial Times did an analysis that reported a bowl of tomato pasta had increased by a staggering 60% since last month. The price of cooking oil was up 65% also. It's very high inflation. Very high inflation if you think about that. 60% in 1 month. Wow. Jeremy Hunt on November 17th is scheduled to provide his 5-year plan to decrease debt as a percentage of GDP in the UK. One component of the plan that may provide $5 billion is to increase net immigration into the UK. This may introduce a number of new problems for the already suffering UK, but it likely will be suggested. Other areas to reduce the deficit would be things like reducing benefits and pensions, reducing public spending in the next parliament, imposing an energy windfall tax, lowering overseas aid, cutting capital expenditure, increasing value-added tax, among numerous other options. Over the past month and a half, a lot of upheaval has been present in the market. The economic challenges are significant. The out-of-control inflation has created a new cost of living crisis. Raising interest rates to try and reduce inflation and stop the pound from continuing to weaken against the dollar will result in more deterioration in fiscal outlook. Many FTSE-listed companies are in a position where they now must issue profit warnings since the costs of doing business have risen so much. The higher energy costs as a result of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, coupled with higher interest rates, are what are causing these profit warnings. There will be more profit warnings coming in the near future. Russia's invasion of Ukraine has also exacerbated the already high inflation by pushing up the costs of gas, wheat, and oil. If you are in the situation where you have pounds, and normally you'd want to purchase gilts, normally you would want to buy UK gilts, the bonds, but you're looking at all of this inflation and the pound endlessly losing value against the dollar, then Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. Alamo Mortgage Holdings, my company, our company, offers corporate income bonds that, in addition to paying hundreds of basis points more passive income than UK gilts, also give institutional and accredited investors the option of easily converting out of pounds and getting into dollars. Alamo Mortgage Holdings works with institutional and accredited UK investors looking to find the fastest way out of gilts into something that pays income and gets them into US dollars. The US dollar has for decades been gaining value against the British pound sterling. Many family offices in the United Kingdom are looking for investments that let them reduce the concentration of their holdings denominated in sterling. Our focus at Alamo is to work with family offices, institutional, and UK accredited investors that would like to get into an asset that pays out US dollars. USA mortgage notes are an excellent investment choice. They pay dollars. There are many reasons that mortgage note investing is excellent since it allows someone to purchase immediate income. The only downside to mortgage note investing is there's a bit of a learning curve to do it properly. But by purchasing Alamo Mortgage Holdings bonds, an investor is able to obtain the passive income they are seeking. However, they also avoid having to do frontline negotiation to find deals and go through the time-consuming and rigorous due diligence that Alamo Mortgage Holdings performs on our acquisitions. You get a team with 200 years of experience with Alamo Mortgage Holdings. If you are an institutional or UK accredited investor thinking of reducing your gilt holdings, but you want to replace those holdings with something with more potential upside, Alamo Mortgage Holdings has a solution for you. If you would like to learn more, go to www.alamomortgageholdings.co.uk and fill out the contact form. Send us a message. We can provide you with some information and have a discussion on Zoom or Google Meet. I hope that helps, and good luck with your investing.